Hey, it's guys, it's Melanie. Please stay, subscribe if you're new. I like to do organizational videos, actually usually DIYs. But anyway, I did this whole closet overhaul, I don't know, a few years ago, and this part has seen better days. So we're actually going to switch out some things, and I'm going to reorganize some of it. So come along with me, watch me organize. So hopefully this motivates you, because I know I like to watch videos like this when I need motivation, which is like always. All right, guys, here's the closet update. It is not the best, I know. I try. My organization skills are lacking in this closet. See how I have everything? Like, these are plastic shoe boxes that do not fit in these bins. And up here, we had nothing that fit up top. So we used Dollar Tree baskets, but I think I have something, like a better solution. I'm about to show you that. Yeah, so anyway, that's where we're at. I need a better solution for my photography equipment for sure. And we're just gonna do a little bit of an update. It's not like super bad, but it's like everything keeps getting shoved on the top, and it's gonna fall on me someday. So let's do this. All right, guys, these crates were $4 a piece at Big Lots. I bought them for another project and they won't work. Let me show you. This is the bench in my kitchen, and we actually put all the kids' stuff in the bench so they can reach it easily, put their own stuff away, you know. And this is getting worn out so easily. I should have known. I thought the crates were going to work pretty well, and I was going to have a whole thing where I covered it in rope. And guess what? Even though the dimensions on the inside that were on the label were perfect, it didn't fit because that was only the dimension of the inside. So we're going to use them for my closet project. Hi. He's sitting on the bench like, Mom, what are you doing? Hi, buddy. I also found some Sterilite containers. Guys, plastic shoe boxes are where it's at. They're stackable. They are amazing. They're cleanable. And if you get them at Target when they're on sale with the not the Groupon, yeah, the Groupon, with the Cartwheel, they're actually cheaper than Dollar Tree. The Sterilite containers end up being like, I don't know, 80-something cents, like less than 90 cents. Anyway, I got some of those, some of these. All right, y'all, the first step is to take out everything. The bottom of the closet is still okay and organized, but everything up here has got to come down and be gone through. I have no idea why. My son's and my daughter's shield and sword are up there. Maybe they were fighting and I put it up there and forgot about it. Very likely. And Twister, I know they were fighting about Twister. That needs to go back in their room. So let's take this out. Yeah, got this camera a while ago. Why I kept the box? No idea. My camera equipment, I think I should put that in a few separate boxes. We'll see. I think I might start with my camera equipment so I can get it out of the way before the cat gets to it. Guys, look how perfectly 3 of those fit across. It looks so much better. I think it's going to actually fit more stuff. I'm wondering if I can hang something up top or not. All right, guys, that's 2. It's only 2 stacked up. I'm comfortable leaving that there. I don't think that's going to fall over. At least I hope not. The bottom ones, I'm probably going to put like seasonal stuff in, and then I can rotate them out. And then the top ones might be something I might need to get to like before the season's over. We shall see. All right, so I got this condensed. I got my cameras in one, filming equipment I use generally in another, stuff I only use sometimes in another, and this won't fit, so I got to figure out what I want to do with that. Ta-da! Guys, I think it looks so much better. I got rid of so much crap. Like, I've been reading Marie Kondo's book, and it's inspiring me to throw everything out again. Just like whenever I watched her Netflix series. I'm reading the first book. I'm hoping maybe it'll inspire me. I mean, I'm keeping stuff, obviously, that means something to me. But there was stuff in here that just needed to go. Like, I was like, maybe I'll use it. And it's been in here since we bought this house 6 years ago. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the updates of what it looks like. And yes, I am wearing the same shirt as I was in a previous video. But I'm cleaning out my closets tonight. So I think I'm so clever. If you don't know that song, I'm in my 30s. I'm sorry. So anyway, here's what I did. First thing is, you know what? Let's get you guys in closer so you can see a little bit better. All right, so what I did was I kept all this the same. I know it doesn't look the best, but these bins were super cheap on holler.com, and we already had the system from my sister-in-law, I think, gave it to us. I think it was my sister-in-law when we got our house. So anyway, this is working fine enough for me. Yes, those are my kids' clothes. When they grow out, I put them in there to go through them. Might get sold on eBay, might save a couple pieces, might have to throw whatever out. I put them there, go through them once a month. Anyway, you guys, totally, you guys need a bin like this in your closets. Up here, I just stuck with the system that's been working for me so much, and they are the shoe boxes, the plastic shoe boxes. Couldn't think of that, what it was called for a minute. Guys, with the cartwheel, these are cheaper than dollar store. They're great quality. They're name brand, and they have lids, and you can stack them if you want. I end up having nothing in these up here, so that's wide open for whatever I decide to put in there in the next few days. Everything here is something I need to access quickly or potentially. So blood pressure monitor for my husband, nebulizer for me, and this is all photography equipment if I'm taking photos or doing a video or whatever. I'm shooting this on my cell phone. I just, I don't know. Anyway, up here. So this is the part that really needed redone. This is the part that makes me so happy. The only part I don't like is the fact that everything else is white and these bins are black, but it's fine. It still looks, much better. You can still kind of see what's inside. That's my case, my camera case, which I need when I travel or I'm working at a show. But guys, I was keeping everything in there and I only use it a couple times a year now. And I'm like, this is just a pain in the neck. So that's up there with some other stuff, some storage for some shoe boxes, different things in there. Beach stuff, Disney stuff, and like different things we take like different particular places. And then these are all things that I want to keep like memories, but I do not want them to go in the basement. Like my kids, like dance recital stuff. My husband's cover from when he was a Marine. I think we're going to like make that a display or something. So I'm going to keep it safe in the closet for now, not in the basement. But guys, look at this. It looks so much better. And I'm not sure what's going to go in these, but eventually I'm sure something will. I love it. All right, guys, if you want to see how I did this to where it's actually sturdy, I'll link it below, and the old makeover, I'll link below. But please stay subscribed for organizing and for DIYs and that kind of stuff. All right, bye, y'all. Love yous.